Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your rod in Fish Ed game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to upgrade your rod to get better fishing, you can go to this area. Wait, let me sprint. Okay, and you can go to this choose rod's location, and you can view the rod here. Okay, and of course you will need cash to upgrade your rod. I have already owned the lock rod, and I'm going to get the Damascus rod. I'm going to buy it. Okay, and now I have equipped new fishing rod, and I'm going to go back and use the rod for fishing. You can click the rod and you can tap on the rod, and I'm going to fish. Oops, no fishing zone. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can upgrade rod and fish at the game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.